Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Easy Explore, your go-to channel for all things travel related. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to every traveler's heart: finding affordable accommodation without compromising on comfort. I'm here to share with you some secrets to help you find your perfect stay on a budget. Let's get started. All right, adventurers, let's get down to business. Budgeting accommodation doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or missing out on epic experiences. It's all about being smart and strategic. Here are some tips to keep your wallet happy while you travel. Plan ahead, stay smart. First up, plan ahead. Booking your accommodation in advance can save you some serious cash. Look out for early bird deals, discounts, or even consider off-peak seasons for better rates. Embrace the sharing economy. Next, embrace the sharing economy. Platforms like Airbnb and Couchsurfing offer unique stays at affordable prices. Plus, you get to connect with locals and dive deep into the culture. Flexibility is key. Remember, flexibility is key. Be open to alternative accommodations like hostels, guest houses, or even camping. Sometimes the most memorable experiences come from stepping out of your comfort zone. Now, let's talk about the golden rule of budget travel. Budgeting isn't just about saving money, it's about spending it wisely. Allocate your accommodation budget thoughtfully, prioritizing comfort and safety without breaking the bank. Whether you're backpacking across Europe or exploring exotic destinations, there's a world of budget-friendly options waiting for you. So ditch the overpriced hotels and embrace the adventure of finding unique stays that fit your budget. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Share this video with your fellow travelers and don't miss out on future adventures by subscribing to Easy Explore. Thanks for tuning in, explorers. Until next time, keep wandering, keep exploring, and remember, the world is yours to discover.